I feel like it's been quite a while since I've actually gone shopping and got a decent amount of things. I don't think I've done one of these hauls since I first started this channel, so I'm very excited right now to do one. I went online to Forever 21 and Buckle, which I haven't shopped at Buckle in 3 or 4 years maybe, but I used to actually shop there quite a bit, and I was pleasantly surprised to find that they have quite a few things that I can work with for my style. So I'm very excited. I have not opened anything yet because I personally think that that makes the video so much more exciting. It's kind of like we're opening up a present or something. We don't know if I'm gonna like what I got, and that could be funny. So, all right. I would like to say that I got some things from Forever 21 that were a bit pricey, so I'm hoping that the higher price means higher quality, but we'll find out together. So I pretty much only wear leggings. I don't wear jeans. I'll wear like skirts and shorts, but for the most part I like wearing leggings. So since leggings are probably slowly getting phased out since we're going into spring and summer clothes, I want to buy as many as I possibly can. So I got quite a few. These ones are like a pleather legging with zippers, and they're like a dark brown, it looks like. These are actually really nice looking. These were $34.80. Like, that's crazy expensive for Forever 21. I don't know if you guys realize. But leggings at Forever 21 are usually like $10. $35. So, I mean, now that I'm looking at these and I'm thinking $35, nah. Nah, come on. Now I have some more leggings. And again, these were pretty pricey. They were $39.80. These are a lot better quality than the other ones though. These are pretty much like pleather pants. They have a really cool detail on the knee, like a lot of like, what would you call that? Almost like quilting in a way, like something. And yet another pair of leggings. I'm already nervous because these come with like little star beads on them, and I think they must fall off easily because they include a bunch in there with it. But again, these were pretty pricey. These were $29.80. But these are really cool, man. They have like cutouts. See, so they show your leg. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are gonna look so good on. Love it. Wow. Really cool. I'm digging those. This is like a boogie. Don't knock the camera down. Quarter. This is like a high-low dress that has a pleather top. Wow, this is nice. I wish it was an extra small so it fit better, but I really like that a lot. I also have a few accessories, I'm guessing, is what I got. I literally can't remember one thing that could be in here, but we're about to find out. This is like a set. Oh, this is fabulous. This is like a set of fake leather bracelets that has like antique gold accents. Nice. $8.80 though. Wow. These prices have gone up a lot, but I do see the quality going up along with it, so that's great. All right, then I also got a ring, which looks amazing. Wow, gosh, I've had so much luck lately. This is like insanity. So I'm not sure which way this is supposed to go. I like it this way though. Looks very cool, kind of looks like armor, which, you know, I dig. And then maybe if you put it the other way I don't like it as much, but I think this is actually the way that it's meant to go. Really cool. And then I have one more thing. Gosh, why do I always do this? No. This is a belt that I really like. This looks massively huge, even though it's an extra small, but I really like it. Why do they package their belts like all wadded up so that way it's never straight when it comes out? But this is really cute. Has a really nice like antique buckle, and the best thing about it is that you can make it as tight as you want, since how you're doing it is you're just putting it through these little holes. So I could make it, you know, up here with my cute Gryffindor shirt. Alright, so on to the next one. We got, this was my bigger order than the Forever 21 one, which I'm very excited about. And I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Alright, don't disappoint me, Buckle. It's been a long time and I want to love you. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to. Alright. Ooh, this is looking good. First, I have a jacket here that I love the color. Oh yeah, that's nice. Really like the color. The quality is superb. This was $59.95, but wow, this is a really nice quality. I love this. Is Buckle my new favorite store? I think it might be. All right, what else? Now I'm excited. What else did I get? What is this? What is this? What is this? Whenever I find anything that looks booky, your days are numbered. Stop it. Anyway, whenever I find, now it's like, look at them, like cut off. Booky. Is that better? Did I fix it? Yeah? Alright, anyway. Like I was saying, whenever I find anything that looks kind of like strange and interesting, I always want it. So this top to me looked pretty strange and interesting, but it's so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited right now. It's so interesting. I love it. Okay, this is pretty cute. I think this is one of those things that looks better on than when you're looking at it, but it's just kind of like a crop sleeve top that has some detailing right here. Really nice and soft. I'll be curious to see how this looks on. This, what is this? Oh, this is just like a long sleeve shirt that has an interesting bottom to it that I really liked. You see that? It's kind of interesting, right? This is, ooh, I like this a lot. This is just like a little vest. I like a little short sleeve top vest type thing. Oh my gosh, I am seriously obsessed with Buckle right now. I'm so happy. This is, oh my god, for real? This is amazing. This is amazing. This top is so cool looking. There's so much like detail. And the lace, and there's like little threads coming off of it, which probably isn't on purpose, but I just love that. And I love the metal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is ridiculous. You guys are probably thinking I'm crazy. Alright, this is just like a basic top that has a bunch of holes in it that I just thought looked neat. That's nice. This is, I'm always looking for tank tops like this because I've only been able to find it one other time in my life, and it was at Forever 21. They're just really basic, tight-fitting tank tops that aren't ribbed or anything. They're smooth. So I just got one of these that I was able to find, which was amazing, $15. And then this last thing, I remember what this is, and I'm nervous because I wanted this. They didn't have my size. They only had it in size large, which I wear extra small typically, so this is going to be massive on me. But I was like, you know what? I think this would look really cool to be oversized because it's like an open thing. It's like a vest that has a tie around it. So I think it's gonna work out. Okay, so that is everything I got. I think this has been like my best purchase I've ever made. And granted, I did spend a very long time online picking all these things out, probably like 2 or 3 hours, but I'm so pleased with everything that I got. So, yeah. Why is my hair driving me crazy? Oh my gosh, okay. I have way too much energy. I should not film during the day. Okay, I need to go eat lunch. I will see you guys really soon. I love you all. Goodbye. Old banana. I forgot about this banana. Now I'm gonna eat it anyway. This is what happens when I film in the morning versus waiting to film at 8 o'clock at night. I have energy. What? Can you guys hear how noisy it is outside? This is like the worst place to film.